Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to find the factorial of a number without recursion. So let's start this with the program. In the first line, the program asks the user to input a number using the input function. The input function reads the user input as string by default. So, to work with mathematical operation, it is converted to an integer using int. Here, the user provides the number whose factorial they want to calculate. Now, in the next line, a variable named factorial is initialized with the value 1. This is important because factorial computation involves multiplying numbers starting from 1, as factorials always begin at 1 as the multiplicative identity in the mathematics. Now, in the next line here, the loop runs over a range of numbers from 1 to num inclusively. Here, range generates number from 1 up to the including num. Here, in each iteration, the loop takes the current number I and multiplies it by the current value of the factorial. As this builds the factorial by multiplying each number from 1 up to num. If number is equals to 5, the loop runs over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here in the next line, in the last line, this gives the user feedback by showing the computed factorial of the number entered. So let's check this program. As I am entering a number of which we need to find the factorial. I am entering 6. Hence the factorial of 6 is 720. So thanks for watching this video.